Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Module 9. Today, we are going to learn English Literature, Chapter 11, Eugenie and the Sharks. Little Eugenie loved spending time at the city aquarium. She loved the smell of the salty and damp air and watched her favorite animals for hours. The sharks. She always wondered what would it be like to swim with them and breathe underwater with gills of my own. So, student, this is a story of a little girl named Eugenie. She loved spending time at the city aquarium. She loved the fish in it. She enjoyed looking at them, and she used to wonder if she could breathe underwater with gills. You know, fish breathe through gills. So she used to always wonder that if she could be like them. People around Eugenie felt that sharks were ugly and scary, but she knew they were interesting creatures. She decided to learn everything about all kinds of sharks: tiger sharks, whale sharks, lemon sharks, and nurse sharks. She even joined an aquarium society to learn more about them. So, students, people used to talk that sharks are very ugly and very scary, but Eugenie felt that they were interesting creatures. So she decided to learn more about them. And then she joined an aquarium society to learn more about sharks. One day, Eugenie's mother surprised her with an aquarium of her own. The tank was too small for sharks, but had clownfish, coral red snail, and guppies in it. It felt like a big ocean in her room. Eugenie spent all her time looking at the fish. So, student, one day, Eugenie's mother surprised her with an aquarium and all the different kind of fish in it. And Eugenie used to spend all her time looking at the fish. As Eugenie grew older, she decided she would study to become a scientist. But her professors thought that women were not smart enough to become scientists. They also said that she would not be able to explore the ocean because women were not courageous. People around her thought sharks were mindless killers. They asked her to forget about them and take up a different job. Now, as she started growing older, she decided that she wanted to become a scientist. But her teachers told her that you won't be able to do it. You won't be able to become a scientist. Okay? So, you stop thinking about it and take up a different job. But Eugenie did not listen to any of them. All day long, she read and studied how fish behave and grew in different conditions. She became one of the smartest students in her class. She also learned scuba diving as she wanted to dive deep into the oceans. So now she did not listen to anyone, she didn't bother, but she had a strong willpower that she wants to become a scientist and she wanted to learn about fish. Okay, she was a smart student. She was the smartest child in the class. Okay, so see student, when you have a strong willpower, nothing can stop you. Eugenie wanted to discover things on her own. After working very hard, she finally got a chance to explore the Red Sea. She collected hundreds of fish from there. She even found 3 new species of fish which had not been seen before. Now what happened, dear children? Eugenie wanted to discover things of her own. So she worked very hard and she finally got a chance to explore the Red Sea. Okay, and she collected hundreds of fish from there. She even found 3 new species, 3 different kind of fish which no one have ever seen it.